Hi guys, how y'all doing? Tsahi here. Just here with a quick, easy slay, I would call it. Weave as a ponytail. Now they do make wraparound ponytails, and of course you do know of the drawstring ponytail that you put and pull. Yes, we know about that. But sometimes you mightn't find what you're looking for, you mightn't find the texture that you're looking for. So this is just another alternative for an easy, breezy, simple, anybody could do it, slay. If you want to see how I did that, stick around. Back again with the easy protective style. Today I'm using the Supreme braiding hair. This is in 1B. It's called Beyonce. It's 18 inches and it's a wavy, soft, pretty texture. This pack comes with 3 bundles and there's also the enclosure. So of course you have to ensure your hair is nice and moisturized, because it is a protective style even though it's temporary. For this one, I'm doing a low ponytail. So you want to make sure you secure it as tightly as you can, as tight as you can manage, that is. So here we go. What you want to do is put a hair clip at the edge of the weft, as you see me doing here. And this is to just make sure that the hair stays nice and snug and secure. You don't want to go out there feeling like if your ponytail's about to fall off. So basically you're just wrapping it around. That's simply all there is to it. So take it in, guys. Take your time when you're doing this and wrap it around. After you've done wrapping it, secure it with a hair clip and go on to bundle number 2 if you so desire. For this video, I'm only using 2 bundles, but if I'm heading out, I'm using 3, sis. We're going all out when we're out there. So this is what it looks like, just 2 bundles. And to finish up, I'm just going to take the piece that's made for the enclosure and I'm just wrapping it around just to hide where the weft edges are. And that's the hairstyle. That's basically it. Anybody can do it. Simple alternative to the normal ponytails that they're selling out there. Just gonna get my edges done, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. I appreciate each and every one of you. But before I go, just take a look at this madness. That shit hurt. So going forward, I won't use, what I would have used was the got to be glued. That's a little bit too much. I wasn't prepared. I'll use a gentler edge control or just simple gel, and that's just for me. You use what you're accustomed using and what works for you. So to finish off, I'm just wrapping around that braiding string. What is the name of this thing? Just to add some drama to my hairstyle, and that's basically it. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.